Benedict Boy, Munich. Munich. Yes.
Okay, चलो out.
Okay. Up.
This is.
Don't I cannot move.
Don't let it shoot.
Can you jangan papa? What a simple house, no?
Yeah.
Come, take from this side. Take from this side. Look to this road side, sir. Just imagine a great man was born here.
You stand here and tell something.
Huh?
Yeah. What is this house?
I am so privileged to be standing in the house of where Pope Benedict XVI was born in 1927, 16th of April. This is the place where he was born and baptized immediately after his birth. As he says, he was born on Easter Saturday, and then immediately after that, he was baptized. To be precise, he was baptized at 4:15 a.m. with the holy water which was blessed on Easter Vigil. What a privilege.
Thank you. What a privilege.